Let us match the food items to the methods of keeping them fresh longer. Milk. Boil. Cooked rice. Put it in a bowl and keep the bowl in water. Green coriander. Wrap in a damp cloth. Onion and garlic. Keep in dry, open space. Wheat flour. Keep in an airtight container. Shall we help Rabbit give the correct answer? The capital of Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad. Another name for Mamidi Tandra. Aam papad. Things needed to make Mamidi Tandra. Jaggery, sugar, mango pulp and a mat. Different items made from mango. Pickle, aam papad, chutney, chikki, juice. Food gets spoiled due to moisture in the air. Spoiled food has a bad smell. Will you help Bird to know which of these sentences are true and which are false? A raw mango is yellow in color. False. is alright to eat food that is 4 days old. False. Spoiled flour has a bad smell and is wet to touch. True. Eating spoiled food makes you fall sick. True. You should always eat packed food after the expiry date written on the packet. False. Food items that are soft take longer to get spoiled. False. Dry foods last longer without getting spoiled. True. Wheat flour kept in airtight containers stays fresh longer. True. Moisture spoils food faster. True. People in Andhra Pradesh speak Tamil. False. Let us help Buzz tick the correct answer. Eating spoiled food makes us healthy and strong, sick, none of the above. Eating spoiled food makes us sick. Wheat flour is spoiled when it is wet to touch. It smells bad. All of the above. Wheat flour is spoiled when it is wet to touch. It smells bad. Cooked vegetables get spoiled in a day, in a week, in a month. cooked vegetables get spoiled in a day? When you buy packet food, you should look for the pictures on the packet, the size of the packet, the expiry date given in the packet. When you buy packet food, you should look for the expiry date given in the packet. Milk can be kept from getting spoiled by putting water in it, putting water around it, boiling it. Milk can be kept from getting spoiled by boiling it.
Come, let's fill in the blanks.
Tomatoes get spoiled than potatoes. Slower, faster, or same time. Faster. Tomatoes get spoiled faster than potatoes. Food gets spoiled faster in the season: spring, monsoon, or winter. Monsoon. Food gets spoiled faster in the monsoon season. Ripe mangoes are in color: green, yellow, or brown. Yellow. Ripe mangoes are yellow in color. Let us answer the questions now. Friends, will you write the answers in your notebook also? How would you get to know whether the wheat flour is spoiled? The wheat flour would feel wet and will not look fresh. The color of the flour will be different and it will smell bad. There will also be insects in the flour. What will happen if you eat rotis made from spoiled flour? We will fall sick and our stomach will get upset. How do you know when cooked vegetables become spoiled? The vegetable will smell bad. It will also have a bad taste. Which food items get spoiled quickly? Things that are soft get spoiled quickly. Those food items that are hard take longer to get spoiled. When we buy food packed in packets, what must we look at? We must look at the date of manufacture and the expiry date. If the expiry date has gone by, we should not buy that packet. How does food get spoiled? Food gets spoiled when it is exposed to the moisture in the air. This is more common in the rainy season. Friends, will you do a fun exercise? Can you think of 5 food items each that can get spoiled in a day? Can get spoiled in 2 to 3 days? Can be kept for a week? Will not get spoiled for 1 month? Will you please write the answers in your notebook? Then you can compare with your friends and discuss. It's lots of fun. Bye friends.
Keep watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and do not forget to wear a mask and take good care of your health.